Okay, finding the circumference here. So, how can we obtain the circumference? Well, we can use pi times the diameter to find the circumference, and we can use 2 times the radius to find the circumference. So, we have here c equals pi times diameter, perfect, and we also have circumference equals 2 times pi times r. R stands for radius here. So let's draw a circle here. We're going to draw our fixed center, and we're going to have a radius of 6 feet. Alright, let's use the first equation here. 2 times pi times radius. And in this circle here, it's 6 feet. So we just replace the r with the 6 here, and we'll begin our calculations. C equals 6. C equals 2 times 3 1400 times 6. Let's rewrite this statement as C equals 6 and 2800 times 6. Now let's keep multiplying down here. So C equals 37 and 68 hundredths. So we can say that the circumference of this circle, this circle has a circumference of 37 and 68 feet. Now let's use the same circle here, but this time we're just going to find the circumference using our first formula. So we're going to use the same circle here, right? And we're going to state the diameter is 12 feet. So we have 2 line segments of 6, but this time it's only going to, we have a diameter of 12 feet. So let's use our formula. Pi times diameter equals circumference. 3 and 1400, also known as pi, times 12. Well, let's multiply this out. Okay, here we go. So 4 times 2, that's 8. 1 times 2 is 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. Moving on to our next row, 4 times 1 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 1 is 3. 8 plus 0, 8, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, and 0 plus 3 is 3. So now let's count the decimal values here. We have here 2 decimal values, 2 place values, so that gives us 2 jumps. For our second factor, we have 0 place values. Let's go ahead here, clean this up just a little bit. Place values here, so 2 plus 0, well, that gives us 2 place values in total, which means 2 jumps to the left. So we start at 8, 1, 2. So now we have decimal placement here between the 7 and the 6. So we can ultimately state that the circumference of this circle here, of our circle, with diameter of 12 feet, has a circumference of 37 and 68 feet.